Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Dede Septiani from IKT 2028 class. Here I want to briefly explain the material regarding long-term liabilities examination. Examination of long-term liability is an important part of a financial statement audit, especially to assess company liability that are due more than 1 year of exceeded the normal operating cycle. This liability include long-term debt such as bank loans, bond, and leasing obligation. The auditor is responsible for ensure that all long-term liabilities have been recorded correctly in accordance with the value and application profile. This examination aims to provide confidence that the financial statement accurately reflect the company's long-term financial performance. The first step is examination. Long-term liability is not understand the term and condition of each liability. The auditor will review supporting documents such as a loan agreement or bond contract to ensure that the amount recorded correspond to two states is the agreement. Apart from that, auditor also check interest rate, payment schedule, and other clues that can affect the value of the debt. For example, change in the value of the debt due to fluctuation in interest rate of economic condition. By verifying this thing, the auditor can ensure that the liability value in the financial statement correspond to the actual condition. The auditor the audit also involves assessing the recognition of the time or period of the liability. The auditor ensures that any long-term liability are recorded when the transaction occur and that liability that are not longer relevant are removed from the book. The accuracy of the recognition is important to balance the company financial position fairly, especially to, to show the company ability to fulfill its long-term obligation. Errors in time recognition can give a wrong picture of the company's financial stability. In addition to timing recognition, the auditor must also assess whenever there is a possibility of a change in the classification of the liability from long-term to short-term, which is actually accurate when the obligation is coming due. The classification affects how a company liability are displayed on its balance sheet. With a liability that was original a long-term debt is now approaching mature, the company must move it to a short-term liability. Auditor ensure that this classification is carried out correctly so that financial report remain transparent and do not mislead report user. Finally, the auditor reviewed the adequacy of disclosure related to long-term liability in the notes to the financial statement. The disclosure shall include information about the term of the obligation, interest rate, repayment schedule, as well as collateral that might be associated with the obligation. Complete the clear information in does not have stakeholder such as an interview or creditor understand the company long-term rights and obligations. With careful examination, auditor can ensure the long-term liability are reported accurately and transparently, ter- terribly regulation the company's true financial condition. Thank you.